Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So 4-hour Bitcoin, really nice divergence setup here, lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. Rallying the key area of resistance, we have some minor resistance about 88.25. Major level we're watching in order to possibly start looking for a reversal is up at about 89.81, a close above that level. I've updated the key support levels right now. So if the rotation zone holds and we rotate back down, if we do rotate back down, watch for a triple divergence, which is a pretty strong bottoming pattern unless we really sink to new lows. But we have 84.49, so 84.50, close below there. Start watching for 81.92. Then we have a major cluster about 79.36 to 79.80, so 79.50 right in the middle. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart, here we go. So on a rally above 89.81, the rotation zone comes in about 9100. And through that, and that also, if you look over here to the left, we also have the 50-day here, 91.68, and we have this little prior support shelf right here, which will be resistance. So we have some pretty decent resistance overhead. I'm going to say from about 9100 to about 9200 first level. Then the next major level, you see here, this prior support becoming resistance, and the GAN level and the top of the rotation zone, we're looking at about 9400 to about 9488. So those are your two major areas of resistance. In order to get into fully bullish mode, we have to get above both those, especially that 9500 level, since the rotation zone is against us on the daily and the 4-hour. Switching over to Ethereum. So Ethereum coming in here, this was not a divergence because it was a higher low and a higher low. So you had two higher lows, which is not a divergence pattern. Sort of have this sloppy double bottom here. Could turn into a triple bottom if we come back down here. So not going to map that out. Just going to be watching the first level of key resistance is now coming in about 230. Then we'd be watching for about 237. Close above 237, we'd start looking more to the bullish side, and we'll look at those levels higher. Now, if we sell off again, we get a close below about 218.70. We'll start watching for a retest at 210.89. Then if we sell off more, we're at 201 to about 202 first key level support, then 191.50. Let's take a look at that daily chart, though, get the bigger picture here. So you see we just got the first cross the rotation zone on the daily. We're holding above the 50-day exponential. So major resistance on that daily is coming in about 240. Above 240, we're watching that 245.70 level. And then if we get above there, we'll start targeting 257, then 267. Those are all the key levels we're watching for. But right now, it's in bearish mode, barely. We just got the first cross, but we really need to get above the rotation zone again, especially above this 245 level before we're interested in it from the long side. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.